Welcome back to Torque Vista, your ultimate destination for high-performance machines and modern automotive legends. Today, we're diving deep into the newly revealed 2026 Ram 1500 TRX, a brutal return of raw power, advanced engineering, and unapologetic dominance. The TRX is back, and it's louder, meaner, and more modern than ever before. Under the hood, the 2026 TRX roars with the return of the iconic 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, delivering over 700 horsepower and neck-snapping torque. This isn't just a carryover. Ram engineers have fine-tuned the powertrain for better throttle response, improved cooling systems, and enhanced durability under extreme off-road conditions. Paired with an 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, the shifts are razor-sharp whether you're cruising highways or tearing through rocky trails. Visually, the exterior design has been aggressively updated. The front fascia features a more angular grille with active airflow shutters, a larger hood scoop with functional heat extractors, and modern LED matrix headlights. Widened fender flares house 37-inch off-road tires on forged alloy wheels, backed by a lifted suspension that now includes adaptive Bilstein Black Hawk E2 shocks with enhanced damping control. The new TRX rides higher, attacks harder, and looks absolutely unstoppable from every angle. The interior is a blend of rugged durability and tech luxury. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and leather-trimmed sports seats make the cabin feel track-inspired yet comfortable. A new 14.5-inch infotainment screen with Uconnect 6 takes center stage, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time performance telemetry. The TRX exclusive digital gauge cluster can be customized to show boost pressure, launch control status, and suspension articulation. Also included is a head-up display and a Harman Kardon 19-speaker premium sound system for immersive audio on or off the road. Every component of this truck screams performance. From the reinforced frame to upgraded axles, active terrain management systems, and electronic locking differentials, the TRX is engineered to handle everything from Baja-style desert runs to crawling through mud and snow. Ram has also added new driving modes, including Baja, Rock, and Sport Plus, allowing drivers to tailor performance in real time. So, is the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX just a comeback? No. It's a full-blown evolution. This isn't just a truck. It's a statement that the era of the V8 isn't over, it's just getting started again. Thanks for watching Torque Vista. If you're a fan of raw power, off-road beasts, and modern muscle, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we bring the torque every time.